In order for the avocado tree to branch out nicely and release side shoots, it is recommended to trim the main shoot. This is the way to stimulate the growth of side shoots. However, if you do not want to prune your tree, you can also do it by tearing off an avocado leaf in the place where an additional branch is to grow. Above each avocado leaf is a bud from which a new shoot can grow. Trimming it or removing it will cause the plant to sprout a new shoot. However, try not to strip the leaves too much from the tree, as they are needed by the tree for the proper functioning of the plant's life processes. It is worth removing e.g. damaged leaves. If only some twigs are pruned, we can do it at any time of the year. If we want to cut them strongly, it is better to wait for the tree to dormant and do it in late winter or early spring. You can trim the avocado when it reaches 30 centimeters, trim the top, it stimulates the plant to new growth. New branches usually emerge from the first bud above the trim. Branches that are in the way, e.g. the lower ones, can be completely removed. You can also remove branches to thin the tree so that the sun and air fall into the crown of the tree, which prevents fungal diseases. We can perform this treatment once a year. Pruning branches should be done not often than every 3 months. Side branches can be trimmed already when they are 20 centimeters long, then you can create a small compact tree. The annual growth of an avocado tree is about 100 centimeters, cutting large branches stimulates them to grow even more. The tree grows well and bears fruit only in full sun, but young growths are prone to sunburn. In its natural environment, it grows up to 12 meters. In the Polish climate, they are grown in pots at home. The bigger the container is, the better. In summer, you can put the tree outside. This should be done when the risk of frost is over, preferably in June. It is worth hardening them for a few days so that the leaves are not damaged. The tree should be kept home for the winter period. Avocados can withstand a temperature drop down to -1 degrees Celsius, but leaving it in the ground in the Polish climate carries the risk of killing the tree. However, if we leave them in the ground for the winter, they should be covered and sheltered from frost. Cut the branches of large trees to 1/3 or 2/3 of their length, never in half. Avocados are best fertilized after spring cutting, or from December to February, with nitrogen fertilizer, which stimulates the growth of green mass. This will provide lush and green leaves. The tree shown in the film is 7 years old. You can wait up to 10 years for avocado fruit, but pruning the tree speeds up the process and the tree may bear fruit earlier.